crazy, little sexy, little cool.
Alright, so we're gonna jump right in. As you guys can see, my hair is freshly washed and everything, and I went ahead and picked it out. So I'm gonna take the NATURAZ leave-in conditioner and spray that all over my hair. This is a lightweight conditioner, leave-in conditioner, so I like it, and it mixes really well with gels. So I'm just taking a rat tail comb and I'm sectioning off the front portion of my hair, and I'm going to put 2 clips to clip the hair back. I'm going to use my olive oil eco sour gel, it's my favorite, and I'm going to be doing some coil. So as you guys can see, I'm sectioning my hair with the rat tail comb. Now if your hair is shorter, you can definitely use a rat tail comb, but I wouldn't recommend using it if your natural hair is longer. So I'm just twirling the hair around my finger to create my coils. Now, the coils are a lot easier to do on my shorter hair. That's why you guys are seeing me do them now. But I really did not enjoy doing them when my hair was longer. So, yeah, I'm getting into them. And I'm just applying the gel. A pretty generous amount, not too much, and then I'm just wrapping the hair and twirling the hair around my finger, making sure the hair is detangled before doing so. Videos all about my purple hair will be in the description box below if you're curious and want to see what I've been using and everything like that, so check there. But these are really simple to do and I really like them, and you can definitely start dreads this way. I really like dreads, so I was like, let me go ahead and coil my hair just to see how they would look or whatever. But anyways, so as you guys can see, I'm just repeating the same steps all over my head. The middle of my hair is growing super fast. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely be experimenting with that. This is what your hair should look like when you're all finished. My hair was a little crunchy, but it wasn't super hard. It definitely had really good hold, and I did wear these for a few days before I actually took them out. So I'm just going to coat my hands with some olive oil and separate them one time. I feel like now this is going to be my favorite way to define my hair without using a curl sponge, because these actually last longer. Like the definition stays a lot longer. You won't have to sponge your hair every day. So as you guys can see, I'm just lifting the roots with my pick and like fluffing them out and getting them to how I want them to be. Now I did take my curl sponge and do like the outside of my head because that needed to be sponged and it's too short for me to coil. So yeah, and this is how they turned out. Of course, I did manipulate them a little bit more, but I really like doing the coils because my hair stayed like this most of the week, like pretty much the whole week, guys. So I didn't have to do much to my hair at all, so that was a win-win. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!